4 minus 8 gives us negative 4. And again, 4 minus 8 gives us negative 4. And negative 4 times negative 4 is equal to 16. Because negative times negative is positive. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, and main D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve is parentheses, and the second thing to solve is exponent, and then multiplication and division, and finally we have to solve addition and subtraction. So if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. So in this equation, we have to do the multiplication before everything else, and we are going to move to the next equation. So here we have subtraction and multiplication, and multiplication has a higher priority, therefore we need to do the multiplication first. So 8 times 4 gives us 32. And 4 minus 32 minus 8 is going to be the next equation. And 4 minus 32 is negative 28. And negative 28 minus 8 gives us negative 36. So the final answer to this question is negative 36.